Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set Telegram Stories notifications to high priority so you never miss important updates from your contacts. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. On Android, this is usually the three lines in the top corner, and on iPhone, you can tap your profile icon. Go ahead and tap it. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize everything related to your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts and messages appear on your phone. Now, look for the option labeled Stories and tap on it. This is where you manage all notifications related to Telegram Stories. Next, tap on More Options. This will open additional settings that give you more control over how story notifications behave. In the options list, tap on Priority. This is the key step if you want to make sure you don't miss any updates. You'll now see different priority levels. Simply select High. By choosing this option, Telegram will push story notifications more prominently, making sure they appear at the top of your notification panel and grab your attention instantly. And that's it. Your Telegram Stories notifications are now set to high priority. From now on, you'll be the first to know whenever someone posts a new story. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of the app.